Oh, welcome to the Saturday MP Show, episode number 58, being recorded mostly live November 25th, 2024. This is a show about shipping secure, high-quality software faster. And today we're gonna do it the fun way. We're gonna play some more Human Resource Machine. Just because it's a fun game, and I really want to solve one of those problems. I took a break for it last couple of videos because I had a talk and some other stuff, but we're back for Human Resource Machine. So for those that haven't watched Human Resource Machine before, it's basically a game where you're trying to... So there's me. I haven't started any other things or whatever. Oh, maybe that'll be me in another 10 years. It's a game about basically kind of like software development, but from a really little level, like almost like you're moving bits and stuff between registers. So you're almost like a low-level computer. You're moving bits from not even really memory, but like in registers, and you only have a certain amount of slots, and you have very basic operations. You don't have like there's not like big for loops or anything. There's only jump statements, so it's like a lot of like programming and assembly. So as you can see, we've done quite a bit of these. So you can watch some of the previous videos, find the link below about what it's about. We're getting to the harder ones now. So as you can see, these, if it's green, that means I've solved it. These are ones that the options that have opened up for me. If it's got the two dots, and I've also solved, there's like a size challenge and a speed challenge. So solve the problem with the fewest instructions and solve the problem with as fast as you can, so that it executes the fewest instructions. So I've done for everything, but except we got really stuck on this duplicate removal last time. We solved it, but we couldn't get any of the two challenges. So I'm going to try that. I think first thing I'm going to do is try it again and see if we can't figure out one of the challenges. But I'm going to time box it because it's like 9:40 in the morning right now. So in about 10 minutes, well, hopefully I'll remember. Sometimes I get playing and then I get distracted and even forget I'm recording and don't talk. I don't know, maybe people like that better. They're just like, just shut up and play. And so we're going to try that for about 10 minutes and we'll see how that goes. And then maybe I'll try one of these two. So when you see a branch, like this is the main, like your main quest, the main path. These ones are like extra ones you can do that are usually a bit more challenging too. So we're kind of gotten to the part, like if you look at the down, here's ones, like a lot of these were just like basic arithmetic and stuff like that, but now we're into basically strings. So a lot of these are strings manipulations. We had to find all the vowels and get rid of them. We had this one, we have to remove duplicates. So yeah, and kind of the theme is this, basically these robots I think are slowly taking over the world, but we're just like these office drones. We're not really paying attention. So anyway, if you like go check it out. It's a great game. I highly recommend it. Okay, so let's try this for 10 minutes here. Oh, and I don't think I introduced myself. My name is Chris, too. So in case you're wondering who I am, the one and only host. Maybe we'll have a co-host in the future or someone else to chat to. That would be. I think that would really help. But for now, it's just me. Okay, so for this problem, so you can see on the right here, there's 3 tabs. So I can have 3 different applications. So this is the one I originally came up with. Just solved it. So if we just run it, we can run it at super fast speed here. Just make sure it works. So basically, like every time we find a letter, we add it to this top row here. And then if we find the letter in... excuse me. If we find the letter, okay, yeah. So these are the challenges. So the size challenge, this one was 19. We've got to get 17 or less instructions that we use on the right here. And the speed is how many times those instructions are executed. So this one's, we got to get down to 167. We're up to 215. So, so what was I saying? So yeah, basically, I just, like if there's an E on this list on the left, I have to keep track that I've seen an E, so I only output one E. Like you can see the problem again here. Yeah, so that's kind of what it should be like. So we got this to work, and then I used these other two tabs to try and do the two challenges, but I haven't been able to get either challenge. Oh, this one has nothing in it. Just clear that one. Yeah, that's fine. This one, I'm at 20 steps, not even close. So I have to figure out a way to take this application here and kind of optimize it. So I think we're at 19 steps. If we can get rid of 2, we'd be down to 17. So I think I'm going to try that again for another maybe 10 minutes. And then, just because it's probably the world's most boringest video, like, I don't know, maybe people love watching me just stumble around for 40 minutes, but I think we'll abandon ship and we'll try something else. But let's just try this again. So, like here we had 20. I think this one at the end we were experimenting. So at first we were basically keeping track of the string, and we had an index into the string. So that's how we were keeping track of knowing when to stop looking. This one, I think towards the end of the video, I tried like a null terminated string. Let's see, what does this one do? Let's just run it. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so I'm using a null terminated string. I thought maybe I could save some steps. The overall steps, like the amount of steps executed went down, but I couldn't, like I had to use 20 instructions to do it. Because I still need this index, so... Right, like, we got down to 198, which is better, but still. Like, now that I'm thinking about it, I wonder if I just fill this hole up to, like, 9. Just fill that all full of zeros. Like, let's just initialize the string. And then I don't have to worry about putting the 0 at the end, right? I could just put that... Oh, maybe that's what I do. Okay, the other thing, can I compare... If I compare an empty... Like, if I take something here and compare it to this... What happens? Let's just try it. So we inbox... So we pick something up from the inbox, and let's subtract it from an empty thing. And then let's see what happens. Is it gonna... It's probably gonna error out. Yeah, empty value. Okay. So... yes. But maybe if I fill this full of zeros... That could get the speed challenge, maybe. Okay, so that's interesting. So let's try that. So, what's the best way? Do I just clear this whole thing out again? Yeah, I think I'm gonna... Okay, maybe we'll just start from here. So this one works, this one doesn't work. But let's try this, okay. So, if we were to fill this whole thing... So we don't need an index. We will need the input, and we won't need a length. So we could even just take this input and put it... Whoops. I have to draw this with the mouse, that's why it looks so ugly. And put. Okay. And we just... I think we could get rid of 9, but I guess we could go all the way up to 12 if we wanted a string that big. Because we just need one extra thing, and we need that 0 there. So, let's copy from 14. And then, if I copy 2, I can't remember, does it... Does it get rid of it? Let's see. Oh no, okay, I still have it in my hand, okay. So it's kind of gross, but let's just do this. Maybe we'll put this into a loop or something later. So in this case, we're going for the speed challenge. I don't think we'll need this many. Let's just do it. 9. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we've initialized all those to zeros. Now, I can take something from the inbox. Like, we know the first one we take from the inbox. Okay, we're going for the speed, so let's just screw it. So we're good. The first one we take for the inbox we know has never been seen before. So let's just copy to 0. And then we can just outbox it because we don't care. Now the next one we pick up, this is where our actual loop would start. We take like say D. We don't know this is D. Now we have to start comparing it. So let's write that. Copy to input. And then and then I guess we need to see if... Okay, so how's our loop going to look? We're going to... what did our loop look like here? Excuse me. Oh, okay, so this is the index. Oh, this is the index in the string that we're looking at. Do we still need that? I guess we will still need that index. Okay. I didn't think we would, but there, index. Right, because we're gonna need to know we looked at 0. Because as soon as we subtract the 2, we lose it. We have to go pick this up again and then go compare to the next one. I guess we could hard code this as a just have a jump statement every time. If it's 0, jump. If it's subtract, no. Okay, but that would be really gross. So let's. I don't feel like writing all that. So I do need to finally copy from here. And then copy to my index. I'll start at 0. Oh, we can, yeah. Okay, so copy it to the inbox. Okay, let's just make sure that works. Let's just run that. Okay, that's all good. So now I pick up the copy to the input. And then I'll subtract. Well, I filled this with zeros. Do I even need the index? Like, I could just say hard code my length as 9. I still need the index. Where to stop would be 9. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, maybe for the least amount of instructions I can do that, but for the speed I want to stop as soon as I find it. So, okay. So, copy that to the input. Okay, and then through the loop, I want to copy from the index. If it's 0, we've reached the end of the loop and it wasn't a duplicate. So then copy from the input and outbox it, and then we're done. Go back up to here. Okay. Oh, we still have to do, actually we have to reset our index. Okay. And then we can jump back up. So like we could remove some of these steps, but again, we're going for the speed challenge. So let's see if we can do it. Now, if it's not 0, so it's not a null, Oh, I should have checked to see, like, if you subtract... Is it always going to be positive if I subtract a letter from 0? I'll have to keep an eye on it. Maybe that'll save me some steps. Okay, so let's subs... if it's not 0... Pick this guy up. Subtract it from the index. If it's 0... it matched. So if it was 0, it was a duplicate, so don't do anything. Like it was a D, we found another D, so whatever. Just go back up to here. If it's not 0, then keep going. Okay, so then we need to bump the index and then return to the top. I think. There's probably some stuff wrong with that, but let's try. So we do this. Okay, we're all good. Done. Oops. That's problem there already. So, so we inbox it. We copy it to the input. Oh no, that's right. That's what we need to do. Because I need to check if it's 0. Okay, so 2 letters is going to be negative, but I wonder if... Yeah, it's probably not very... I wonder if it just follows like ASCII. I wonder how that works. Oh! Bump the index, and then don't jump to here. Go to here. Okay. Oh, but I didn't add C. I need to add C there. Okay. If we do this, I need to copy... So I need to pick it up from the input. Before I outbox, I need to copy it to... current. There we go. I need to record what I did. There we go. Oh yeah, maybe this one. Let's see. Okay, let's just run out. This looks like it's working. Oh, interesting. Okay. Oops, go faster. They just give me such a long string, I'm gonna overflow. It looks like it's gonna work. Did I miss something? Oh, I did. Why do I have A? How did I miss A there? Oh, I'm not resetting the index at some point. Okay. I need to... Where am I resetting the index? Here. I need to put this here and here. Oops, no, that's not right. This is where I'm resetting. I need to reset this in 2 places. When I get to here and let's just do it up here. I think that'll fix it. Yep. Copy to input. Oh no, I need to copy from 14. Oh, I screwed some. Okay, let's just see. I definitely messed something up. Okay, yeah. So copy from if it's 0. Oh wait, where did I messed my program up here. Copy from oops, I didn't want to copy from 14, copy to, oh, this should be just hard-coded as, not this. There we go. I probably still have something wrong, but let's see. Oh, yeah, okay, so I have to grab the input again. Yeah. Copy from input. Okay, there we go. Oh, I didn't put D in there. Oh, right, because I copy to index. Okay, yeah, that's what I screwed up. This was the, oh, I didn't, okay, yeah, that reset doesn't need to go there. Okay. Let's see. Oh, that. Copy to this. There we go. Let's just run it. Okay, that's better. Oh, 202. That was very speedy. Okay, maybe let's try just this. Okay. I said I would do this for 10 minutes, but now it's over. Let's try the steps again. Okay, so let's... I kind of Did that get me anything? Like just filling this with zeros? Don't really think so. So, okay, so let's just do this. Let's copy this because it's pretty close. And then let's paste it here. Okay. So this is really close. Okay, so what are we doing? Let's take that. So our length is 0. Copy from 14. Our index is 0. That's kind of our setup. Right, and then we're just checking have we reached the length. If not, outbox that sucker. Or if we have, then yes. Okay, so the length is now 1. Reset the index. We haven't reached the length. Compare the two. Okay, so yeah, this is gonna work, but how can I, is there... Can I get rid of a step? Can I make these jumps a little more? If I subtract the length... So I'm bumping the length. To index. Copy from the input, subtract the index, jump if it's 0. Right, because we've reached. Right, because we found a duplicate, so there's nothing else to do. Because it's... Yeah, because we need to keep that 14 as 0. Copy to the length. Okay, let's just try right from the get-go. So let's clear this whole thing. Alright. Let's delete. Let's think all this from scratch. Okay, so should I try? Steps like that is really close. It's 19. So it can't subtract letters from numbers. It'll complain about that. If I can I do so copy paste. There's a lot of logic going on in this, a lot of jumps. Okay, let's try once more from scratch. Okay, so try the length or 0. Okay, let's try it with the, if we could do it with the length. Maybe I'll come up with something else. So I do need to do this. I need to do that and then that. So then I need to pick something up and then I need to put it there. Should I write it to the string right away? Just assuming that'll be the end? Oh, maybe I could do something like that. It could be at the end of the string all the time. So don't put it there, put it at the end of the string. So inbox, and then copy it to... Oops. The current length of the string. So put it at the end. Oh, and then I can just compare the length. Oh, okay, okay. So now I still have it in my hand. So now I can subtract that from the current index. Well, I'll have to pick it up after I subtract it, I guess, but I could subtract that from the current index. And if it's 0, right, do the thing. So copy from length. And then outbox it. And then we would need to bump the length. Oh, okay, okay. So what is, this isn't going to work, but let's just see. To bump the length and reset the index, okay. Oops. So copy from 14. index. Okay. And then I would want to jump all the way up to the... to here? Let's see. Okay, now we have to fill in that middle part. Okay, if it's not 0, then bump the index and then jump. Alright, I have to bump the index and then I have to copy from the length, and then do this. Whoa, that's 16 steps. All right, let's see if this works. Probably got something wrong. Oh, right. I have to do a check if the index is greater than the length. Okay, so. So I have to bump the index. Oh no, it's going to be over 17 if I do that compare. Dang it. Oh, this needs to be that length, by the way. So if there's 0... Dang it! Okay, so I still need to compare the... I did get rid of this, so maybe we don't need that. Copy it to the length. It will be 0 eventually, because it'll always be the one at the end. Okay, wait, maybe there's a check, so... So we're at B there. Okay, so that's 0. Oh, but I already found it, so that is a problem. So right, because I can't... I do need to... Because this is going to be... Yeah, so I went there. I had it in my hand, I wrote it there. So if it's 0... Okay, so if it's 0, let's check if we're at the end of the array. So, stop this. Okay, if it's 0, then we found a match, but are we at the length or not? If we're at the length, then then outbox it. If not, then don't outbox it. So we went to here. So we have it in our hand. It's kind of a shame that we have to put it down. Do we need an index? Do we just start at the length? And just work our way backwards? If length ever equals 0? Okay, let's try that. So, okay, yes. So, let's start with a length of 0. Copy from 14, and then put it here. And then let's grab the first item, and let's put it at the length. Oh, right, but then we're going to need the length. I always forget about that. I think when we get the next item, because we'll put A, and then A is 0, boom. And then we'll get C, so we'll put C in 1, and then does C match A? No, we're at 0. Output C. Okay, yeah, we're still going to need an index of some sort. Index. I'm probably barking up the wrong tree altogether, but... we could count down, I guess, too. I don't know. Maybe I don't know if that helps us or not. So, right. We need to copy from like the length to the index. Just reset it every time. Oh, it's such a shame that we have to do that. Okay. So we pick the first one up, we copy it to the length. I think, well, sure, to the index. And then we subtract what we have in our hand. Okay, so we copy that to the index. Then we bump the index down by 1. If the index is negative, let's copy from the length, and then outbox it. Oh, we need to bump the length by 1, copy from the length, and outbox it. And then go back to the beginning. Oh, we have 2 inboxes here for some reason. Don't need 2 of those. Okay. This is just the same thing, just backwards. I don't think we're gonna get... Oh, okay. Oh, whoops. Sorry, this needs to be just hard-coded like that. Oh, I need to pick this up and put that down somewhere, actually. Whoops, okay. So we'll pick that up, put it at the index. Go faster. Oops. No, I need to try that. Okay, so it's not negative. So I need to pick up what's at the length and compare it to oops, this index. And then if that is 0, oh yeah, that's 0. Don't bump the length. I don't need to bump the length. I can just go back up to here. If we put this here, that's 15 steps. Okay. Okay, that's looking good. Now we got our first. Ah! Okay. Is this gonna work? Let's just play it. Oh, okay. No. We needed to. Okay. We had a. I saw that right there. Okay. So like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, why did B? Why did we increment the length there? Okay, so we had 3 B's in a row. Oh yeah, the length should be 4. That's right, yeah. Okay. Put the next B there, that's fine. It's not negative. Oh, it's not 0. Oh, I have to do... I have to do... Since that's 0, I have to decrement the index. Okay, that's what I need to do. I need to bump the index down by 1. Oh! And one more jump. And then jump... So this is 17, right? Yes. And then jump... Oh, no, wait, maybe I can even... So I subtract, if it's 0, we can go here, else if it's not 0, bump the index down by 1. Okay. Is that it? Oh, I'm really excited now. So much for time boxing. That went right out the window. Oh, no, wait, but I still need to... Oh, no. Yeah, grab D, yeah. Oh, is this it? Am I victorious? That's good. Oh, I think this will work. Okay, I'm just gonna play it because I'm so confident in my abilities. Yeah! Alright, we did it in 17 steps. That's awesome. Oh, we got down to 188. Wow, okay. Oh, we did it in 16 steps, really? Oh, wow. Oh, wow, that's super amazing. Okay. And then what? What was the speed? It's longer. There's the only downside to these more complicated programs. They do take a lot longer to run. Okay. So, man, 67. So what is it, like 20, 77, 80s, 20 more. I can get rid of 20 steps. Oof. Okay, wow, that's amazing. Okay, so how... Oh, it's been 50 minutes. I think maybe I should learn my lesson and just end this video here on a success. So I think that's what I'll do. Because how would I reduce 20 instructions? Like, what are they... I can always get these... The speed challenge. So how many steps? So these are commands and steps. Okay. So how would I do less steps? Like, would I unroll a loop? I don't know how I do in less steps. This is already pretty optimized. Like, what is a wasted step that I'm doing? Like, that's one there. Oh, okay, I can even get rid of this. Like, I bumped this. Do I even need this anymore? Okay, let's stop this. Copy. Whoa, excuse me. Oh, right, this is pretty gross. Okay, yes. And then let's paste. Can I get rid of... Copy... I can get rid of this. Because this bump step will bump the length. Okay, will that get rid of 20 steps? Maybe. There's quite a few... it won't get rid of 20, I don't think, but... Let's see. Let's see if it even works. Oh, dang it! Okay. Let's just do this fast. Okay, so that went there. I bumped the length. I put it to the index. That's fine. What's wrong with that? Okay. Bump the index. It's not negative. Oh, do... This is 0. Oh, so I should put this jump... I should put this here. Oh, we're even down to 15 steps. Oh, oh, look at that! Oh, okay. I kind of missed it. It's even adding more. Like I don't care as long as I find it somewhere in there. I don't freaking care. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh, you've got down to 15 steps. Oh, that's a lot more steps, though. Oh. That was a lot more. The optimization did not pay off at all, because I had such a bigger loop there. Because I'm always... If it's 0... Okay, what am I doing wrong here? Oh, I'm always incrementing the length, which I don't want to do. So 0, and that could, yeah, no, I don't want to increment the length. I just want to go. Wait, what is this? If it's 0, that's a duplicate, so we don't care. So in this case, we could just do a... Because what we really need is like a copy from length before we put it here. Okay, so if it's 0, this is what it was before. Gotta basically reset everything before we do the... Yeah. Oh, that's pretty cool that we got it down with less steps. Alright, okay, so this is almost an hour. Let's see. So I can think of something really smart right away here. I'll just end this video, I think. Oh, I'm still... Oh no, okay. We're doing it right this time. Okay, 188. So we have to get rid of 20... what were they? 20 steps. So... Whew! There'd be a lot of steps to get rid of somehow. Like, would I have to sort the alphabet? Oh man, that would be even grosser to sort it. Yeah, because there's this copy from length, copy from length. Bump the length. do, 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 do. How would I get rid of this copy from length here? Because I don't need to bump it and then copy from it. Like I already have the bumped value in my hand. How do I get rid of that? Where does this jump go? There. Right, like I'd have to basically move this here. Copy from length and then jump. But we want things, like if anything, we want things outside of these kind of loops, right? Like if I can get a step out of this loop, that's great. This loop here. Yeah, like this is the smallest loop here, this little loop. I don't think I can do much from here. If it's zero, if it's not zero, go back to here. Yeah, okay. Well, I'll have to think about this later. Alright, let's wrap this up. So that was a big success. Let's run this one more time, just because that was super awesome. Like 60, we got down to 15 steps. That was amazing. So if you could think of a way to reduce, or instructions, I suppose I should say. If you can figure out a way to get rid of those extra 20 steps, I'm sure I can... Man, I'm thinking it has something to do with this length, copy from length. Right, because that seems to be like a step that shows up a couple times. Getting rid of this somehow because we bumped the length here. Like, do we need it again there? That's kind of a waste of a step, but I don't know how to get rid of that. Because basically you need to reset that index every single time you start a new loop. So you need to do it like this. Wait. Oh, I guess I could just jump from here. Okay. Let's see. If that removes 20, that would be amazing. I doubt it will. No, it removed like 5. Yeah, because we only found 5 of them out there. So it's got to be something in this tight loop down here. Reset the index. Bump the index. If it's not negative, why am I copying from the length and subtracting from the index there? It's not negative. Oh, right. Copy the thing again. Figure out the new index. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I wonder if there's some trick in here that I don't know. Okay, but anyway, thank you all for watching. I hope you had a good time. We've had a success, even though I said time boxes. Didn't bother listening to my own words. If you found this interesting, as always, please feel free to share it with others. You can leave comments down below on YouTube or ask questions that you'd like me to answer in future videos. If you have a way to solve this in the few optimize the speed challenge here, that'd be great. Let me know. Let me know your thoughts below. And of course, you can always send an email to ask@SaturdayMP.com, SaturdayMP.com. And yeah, thank you all very much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you all next time. Bye for now.